Have you ever wanted to put something like this back together so it's nice and neat? That's difficult enough with a children's toy, but when it comes to recycling cars, the challenge is even greater. Thankfully, Mercedes-Benz has it sorted, thanks to this door pocket. I'm Rob, I'm your Tech Explainer, and this is Tech Explained. When it comes to making cars more sustainable, we don't just have to think about what they're made of, but how the components come apart at the end of life. Things that are bonded together permanently can cause a bit of a mess. Yeah, just like this. Let me show you our solution. It all begins with this, a simple plastic bottle. This one is made of polyethylene terephthalate, or PET, and it's the basis of the monosandwich door pocket. Let's go into the lab. At the moment, door pockets and other components inside a car are put together using permanent thermoplastic rivets, which is absolutely fine, but recycling can be tricky. Now, this is a thermoplastic pin, and this is the solution. They're both kind of small, so let me use bigger examples. So this is a model of the thermoplastic pin. It only becomes a rivet once you've applied heat and pressure to the top. That creates this dome. But getting these apart is difficult at the end of a vehicle's life. So this is the solution. This is the demountable thermoplastic riveting connection, a very long name for a really ingeniously simple idea. Safety first. And I'll take this ultrasonic handheld welding device. Now the sonotrode here has a special shape. It's six-sided and it's called hexalobular. I apply it to the top of the pin and just squeeze the trigger. Now this then vibrates at up to 300 times faster than your electric toothbrush, and that vibration causes heat, which causes the pin to melt. Now when I get to the end of the bonding process, all I have to do is remove this and I have a perfect bonded rivet. Now imagine this is a permanent thermoplastic rivet mounted inside a car, because that's what it is. We need to recycle or repair it. Normally it's a difficult job, but not thanks to this special six-sided bit. All I do is put my drill on the top, squeeze, and it's already come apart. Now let's get back to my sandwich. This is a regular door pocket. It's a sandwich of different materials all put together. A bit like my lunch. You can see here lots of different layers that are hard to put together, but there's nothing wrong with either of them. I'll have that later. Remember that plastic bottle? That's now been transformed into this, the mono sandwich door pocket. Each of the layers in this sandwich are made up of the same thing. Different layers of this. Now this is really light. It's about 40% lighter than a conventional plastic door pocket, and it takes about 50% less CO2 in production as well. Plus, of course, it's easier to recycle or repair. And if you add this to those special rivets, you end up with a new type of door pocket, which makes recycling and repair a whole lot easier. This mono sandwich door pocket and the new rivets are just two of the innovations in Tomorrow XX. If you want to find out more, you can watch other episodes of Tech Explained. Right, I'm off for a delicious lunch.